Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to log in to Miss Martha's class in Getepic. First thing you're going to do, you're going to open the link Miss Martha gave you and you're going to log in here where it says Students and Educators. So you just click the blue button here. And as soon as you get there, you will log in here where it says Students Login and you will be asked to enter a class code. Miss Martu's class code is E as in elephant, P as in pizza, Z as in zebra, and 4816. So E, P, Z, or Z, 4816. Okay? So then you hit go, and you will see that the list of Miss Martu's students will appear here. Okay? Welcome Miss Martha's class, and here you have all of you, all of second grade boys are here. So what you're going to do is you're going to find your name and you're going to click on the picture. Alright? So you find your name and click on the picture. Alright, let's see, for example, I'm gonna click here. And once you click on your name, you're in. And as you can see, this is a library full of very nice and very interesting books for you to read. But Miss Martha has chosen some books especially for you. So if you go here to your mailbox, can you see the little bell here? It is telling me that I have a message. So I'm going to click here. And here I will find the reading challenge by Miss Martha. And Miss Martha has selected 14 books for me. So I click here and I have all the books Miss Martha has chosen for me. Alright? And you can read them in order, or you can start by reading any book. And look, you open the book and the book is read to you. You hit here play.
Clownfish by Ryan Nagelhouse. A clownfish has 3 stripes. It is often orange. It can live up to 10 years.
You can stop here and you can read it yourself. And if you want to hear how a word is pronounced, you just click on it. And well, then you turn the pages. And if you want, you continue.
There are over 27 kinds. It lives in the sea. It likes to live in warm water.
All right. So the reading challenge is to read, okay, 1 book a day, all right, to read for 10 to 20 minutes a day, all right. That's all. Remember that you will find the reading challenge here in your mailbox. Then if you want to continue reading, you can explore the library and there are even more books for you to read, okay. But the reading challenge that Miss Martha has selected for you is here in your mailbox. Okay? Well, I hope you enjoy this. Bye!